Hello, what is up mga moms or sir mom? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are working on Blockies Venom na action figure. Thank you very much Blockies for making these kinds of model kits. Super nice na mga model kits. Super happy building time. I have 6 of these. Ito yung gagawin natin. So meron tayong default na skin from Marvel Rivals Venom, Anti-Venom. That will be our next suit. And then ito yung ginagawa natin ngayon, Hyper Orange. We are also going to make a Venom X Punisher suit. And then this one, yung blue one, tapos na natin yan. And then we are also going to make a comic book version. Ito maganda sana to, yung Snow Symbiote. Pero next na batch na natin gagawin yan. Right now, nasa work area natin ngayon ito. So I have Hero Paints, I have my coffee from City Cafe 7-Eleven. Shout out to you 7-Eleven City Cafe, French Vanilla Large. Yan ang tumutulong sa akin sa paggawa. Kailangan ko yan para makagawa ako. Tapos meron tayong mga Hero Paints. Thank you very much Sir Harvey Koo from Hero Paints for always sending these paints for sponsoring me, Ralph Cifra Toy Customs. We have Patina Blue, Lemon Yellow, Orange, Warm Red, dalawang Warm Red. I have Ultra White, Fluorescent Yellow. Ito blue ka, ano yan eh, last na project natin yan. Pero right now I'm using ito, Warm Red, Orange, and Lemon Yellow. Asan yung Lemon Yellow? Ito, yan. Tapos syempre white. And then yung primer natin, Bosny Flat Black. Shoutout din sa Bosny. Super ganda ng mga products nyo. Hopefully soon, sana magkaroon tayo ng mga project together. We also have fluorescent paints. Usually nag-work to kapag white yung base. So mamaya apply natin yan dito sa ating orange na Venom. Hyper orange na Venom. I really like the contrast between yung mga cool colors tsaka yung cool and hot na different values. Kasi syempre si Hyper Orange nasa warm side. Ito si Blue nasa cool side. So let's do the warm side first. Let's do the warm side naman pala kasi nagawa na natin yun eh, yung cool, yung blue. So yan, ito yung nasa work area natin ngayon. So I have my clipboard, paper, palette, mga alligator clips. Ito yung mga brush ko. Tapos ito yung mga brush. Tapos modified din yung mga brushes natin. Meron akong mga in-install na ano tawag dito? Grips. Ito yung parang foam grips for pens. In-install ko lang dyan. Tapos meron din ako mga paintbrush na favorite. Ito talagang nire-resurrect ko yung mga ganito eh. Yan, may mga glue gun na yan, may mga tape na yan. Kaya ako gusto